Hey everyone, welcome to week 7. We had some beautiful weather, but we really didn't do anything. Matter of fact, I didn't even really get the camera out. We left a little earlier than normal, getting us up north a lot earlier than normal. But we stopped off at our favorite McDonald's in Montrose. One of the things that we really like to do is after we go through the drive-thru and get our food, we stop at the Montrose train station. Normally there's nothing going on there, so we'll park, eat, and once in a while we'll be lucky enough to see a train like we did today. Look at that. Coughing in it the whole time. Look at that. Well, we're almost to the campground. Two vehicles overtook a slow truck coming into our lane. The second vehicle, a sheriff's deputy pickup truck, came very close to hitting us. This goes to show you really have to watch what's going on the road these days, no matter who's behind the wheel. Well, next week we'll have a lot more video. Until then, happy trails.